Mommy's gonna, baby, Colt. Mommy's gonna record it so you can just sit back and enjoy.
No, I want to record.
Why do you want to record?
I do.
This is a scientific experiment.
Okay, well, you need to get me out of the picture.
Is it bloating?
You got the fizzies in there?
Oh no, the volcano! The volcano!
Whoa, look! It's going, Colt.
It's a volcano. Look at it go!
Put money off inside it.
There's lava coming out still. You hear it fizzing and popping?
Don't want lava.
There's some volcano bombs gonna come out.
No, volcano bomb's gonna come out.
Dad, can we put this log in there?
No, it's not gonna do nothing, buddy.
Why? But there's a volcano log. It says rock.
It's just volcano rock. That was made in a real volcano.
Why isn't it bloating yet?
Is there more fizzy stuff?
Not really. I mean, it's still stuff down here going on.
Look at all that lava. Look at all that lava.
Hey, let's put more in there. That volcano, Daddy.
You want to put more in it?
Look how much lava there is. Let's put more. More.
Do you like it?
I want more in there. Why are you dumping it out?
There's not more, I thought.
Even
This powder's...
I want more too.
Where's the crackly stuff?
It says pop crystals on it.
It's exploding! Oh, we're making lava. Let's put the lava inside.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah, just pour
put
it
a
in
very
slow.
small amount.
You
You
do
do
it,
it?
you do it.
You do it, Colt. It's your volcano.
He's scared. Yes.
Oh!
More.
Let it just do it by itself.
Do it. Come on, come on.
Stop. Stop.
Wow!
Again.
Oh! More!
Whoa. More.
That's it. That's all.
Whoa!
No, you can put any more in there.
Don't
That's-
step it out.
That's so... Listen to it. Listen.
So this is a chemical reaction. That's why it's doing that.
Can you put this in here?
It's not gonna do nothing, Logan. Put it in there if you want. It's not gonna do nothing but get wet.